Hello, my friends. Welcome to your practice. Let's begin. Welcome to my backyard. This practice will actually start over there by the pool, and we'll be there for most of the practice until it starts raining, and then we'll end up at the end of the practice back here. So let's begin. I'll have you begin in a child's pose. With your big toes together and your knees wide, press your hips towards your heels, rest your forehead towards the floor, close your eyes. Take a deep breath into your nose. Open your mouth, exhale. One more, big inhale. Big exhale. Begin to breathe all through your nose. And create a steady, even rhythm of breath. Walk your hands and your upper body off to your right, so you're lengthening through your left side. Walk through center to your left, lengthening through your right side. Walk through the center and stay in the middle for a round of breath. Rise up to tabletop onto your hands, your knees. Move through cow-cat. Inhale, tilt your tailbone up, drop your belly, look forward. Exhale, tuck your tailbone, round your spine, chin to chest. 2 more, back bend, inhale. Round, exhale. 1 more, inhale. Exhale. Neutral spine, walk your hands a couple inches forward, downward dog. Tuck your toes, lift your knees, press back. Move yourself around here in any direction. Try to give every joint in your body some movement. Walk your feet forward to your hands or as close as you can get. Let your arms, your head dangle once you get there. Tuck your tailbone, roll up to stand. Step out, face the right side of your mat with your feet out fairly wide here. I'll turn your right foot to the back of your mat, reach your arms out. Triangle. Reach, bring your right hand down, your left arm straight up. Reach your left arm overhead by your ear, and big circles with your left arm. Switch, go the other way. Reach your left arm straight up, rise up to stand. Switch your legs, right toes in, left foot top of your mat. Reach forward, left hand down, right arm up. Arm overhead, big circles with your arm. Switch your direction. Right arm straight up, rise up to stand. Place your hands to your hips and turn your left toes in, prasarita your legs. Lift your chest, look up, inhale. Fold forward, exhale. Hands down under your shoulders. Now bend from side to side. Center, walk your hands back. If you have some space, fold down the middle. Let your head be heavy from your neck. Keep your breath steady through your nose. Now re-lengthen your spine, pull your chest forward. Place your hands to your hips, stand up. Now toe heel your feet in about hip width apart. Right side tree pose. Bend your right knee and place your right foot anywhere inside your left leg. Start with your hands at your heart, look down. You have the option to stay here or reach your arms up, maybe even look up. Keep your breath steady. If you fall out, no big deal. Just come right back into it. Place your hands to your heart. Float your right knee through center. Right foot down. Very good, other side. Place your left foot anywhere inside your right leg. Hands at heart, look down. With the option to reach your arms up or look up. Place your hands to your heart. Float your left knee through center. Feet together. Very good. Step back to the top of your mat with your arms at your sides. Inhale, reach your arms wide overhead, look up. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, lengthen halfway, pull your chest forward. Exhale, step your left foot to the back of your mat. Reach your right arm up to the sky. Reach your right arm straight back and wrap it behind your low back. You're in a twist, so peel your right shoulder back, maybe look up. Look down, place your right hand down outside your right foot. Pull your hips back, work your right leg straighter as you fold forward. You have the option to balance on your right heel, bring your toes towards your face. Bend your right knee forward and set your left knee down behind your hip. Anjaneyasana, lift your chest, your arms up. Hook your thumbs together overhead, reach up, side bend to your right, reach up and over to your side. Lift straight up, inhale. Downward dog, exhale. Hands down, step and press your hips back. Shift forward into plank. Dancing lion, set your knees down behind your hips. Create big circles with your body. And let your hips guide the big circle here. Switch, go the other direction. Circle back into child's pose. Big toes together, hips back. Now weave your left arm underneath your chest to the right with your palm up. Either keep your right arm forward or wrap it behind your low back. Unravel, reach both your hands forward to the top of the mat. Lift up table, downward dog, tuck your toes, press your hips back. In your downward dog, bend your left knee, straighten your right leg, reach your right heel down. Switch, bend your right knee, straighten your left leg. Walk your feet forward in between your hands to the top of your mat. Lengthen halfway, inhale, pull your heart forward. Exhale, step your right foot to the back of your mat. Reach your left arm up, turn your chest in a twist here. Left arm straight back and wrap your arm behind your back. Peel your right shoulder back, look up. Steady out your breathing. Look down, left hand down, outside left foot. Pull your hips back, slide your left leg straighter with the option to balance on your heel. Lunge forward, set your right knee down behind your hip. Anjane, lift chest, arms up. Hook your thumbs together overhead, get as tall as you can, side bend to your left. Lift straight up. Exhale your hands down, downward dog, step and press back. Shift forward into plank. Bend your knees, set them down behind your hips again. Then bend your elbows, pass through a kneeling chaturanga, lower all the way down to your belly. With the tops of your feet down, cobra, lift your chest, inhale. Lower, exhale. 2 more, inhale. Exhale. 1 more time, lift up. lower down. Pass through tabletop, hands, knees, into your child's, big toes together, hips back. Weave your right arm under your chest to the left with your palm up. Left arm, either keep it forward or wrap it behind your low back. Breathe. Unravel, reach both your hands forward. Lift up table, downward dog, tuck your toes, press back. Shift forward into plank. Bend your left knee, set it down directly under your hip. Modified side plank, kickstand your left foot just behind you. Right heel down, right arm up. Float your right leg up in a balance with the option to bend your right knee. Your right hand grabs your foot and pull your heel in tightly to your hip to begin. Gaze can be down to help you balance, or look up if you'd like to challenge it. Now keep a hold of your foot, but this time kick it away. Let it pull your arm back. Stay one more round of breath. Float your right leg back, your arm up. Tabletop, lower your hand, lower your knee. Now in your tabletop, reach your left arm straight out to your side. Inhale, reach your arm up and look up. Exhale, thread the needle. Bring your left arm under your right, lower your shoulder and the side of your head down. Either stay here, pulling your right shoulder back, or right arm up behind your low back. Unwind, right hand down, left hand down, table. Tuck your toes, downward dog, press back. Shift forward, plank. Other side, bend your right knee, set it under your hip. Right foot behind you for balance. Left heel down and your left arm up. Float your left leg. Option to bend your knee, reach for your foot and pull it in tightly to your hip. Keep a hold of your foot, kick it away, let it pull your arm back. Float your leg back, your arm up. Tabletop, lower your hand, lower your knee. From tabletop, right arm straight out to your side. Inhale, reach your arm up, look up. As you exhale, thread the needle. Right arm under, left, lower your shoulder and the side of your head down. Stay or left arm up, wrap it behind you. Peel your left shoulder back. Unravel into tabletop, both hands down. From tabletop, tuck your toes under, squat at the back of your mat. Walk your hands back, lift your knees, reach your heels back and down. You can stay here, hands to heart, or if you'd like an arm balance here, you can certainly try crow with your hands down, knees to the backs of your arms, lift your feet. You have a couple more breaths wherever you are with this. Then we'll meet in ragdoll. So with the feet down, turn your toes forward, let your upper body dangle here. Bend your elbows, cross your arms, move around side to side, forward, back. Release your arms back down, roll up to stand. You have one more standing balance, right side dancer. Bend your right knee, the right hand grabs your foot behind you. Left arm straight up. Actively kick your foot into your hand, lean forward, keep your chest lifting because you're also in a back bend here. One more breath. Rise to stand, release. Very good, other side. Bend left knee, grab your foot, right arm up. Again, start with the kick of your foot, lean forward, keep your heart lifting. Rise to stand, release, left foot down. Inhale, reach your arms wide overhead, look up. Exhale, fold forward, hands down. Walk your hands forward into plank. Press back, downward dog, hips back. Lift your right leg up, bend your knee, open your hip. Right side pigeon, right knee behind right wrist, angle your foot in. Bring some weight into your hips. Fold forward to your elbows or rest your head down. Walk your hands in, lift up. Downward dog. Tuck your toes, press back. Pedal your heels side to side. Lift your left leg up, bend your knee, stack your hip open just for a moment. Left side pigeon. Again, angle your foot in, whatever feels comfortable for your hips here. Fold forward. And settle into the sound of your breath. Walk your hands in, tuck your back foot. Downward dog, step back, pedal your heels. Tabletop, set both your knees down directly under your hips. Now reach your left arm forward in front of you, your right leg straight back. Take a breath in. As you exhale, bring your elbow to your knee and round your spine. Inhale, reach back out. Reach your left arm straight back, bend your right knee, grab your foot. Kick your foot up to the sky as you lift your chest, look forward. With control, release your leg back, your arm forward. Tabletop, lower hand, lower knee. Other side, right arm forward. Left leg back, inhale. Exhale your elbow to your knee, round. Reach out, inhale. Exhale your right arm straight back. Bend your left knee, grab your foot if it's in your reach, kick and lift. Release your leg back, arm forward. Tabletop, lower hand, lower knee. Round your spine into cat pose. Tuck your tailbone, round your spine, chin to chest. Keep this and just wiggle a little side to side. Soften through center. Bring yourself around to seated. Place your hands behind you with your fingers away. With your knees bent, set your feet the width of your mat. Windshield wiper your knees from side to side. Drop both your knees to the right. Bring your left hand up and around. Twist to the back of your mat. Lower down to your elbows. Or with your hands together, rest your head down. Walk your hands and lift up. Turn to face the top of your mat and just reset with your hands behind you. Make sure your feet are the width of your mat. And we'll switch sides. Knees to your left. Right hand up and around. Twist to the back of your mat, where you can lower to your elbows or rest your head on your hands. Walk your hands in, lift up. Turn to face the top of your mat. Navasana, with your knees bent, lift your feet up, reach your arms forward. Now you do have the option to work your legs straighter. Take a breath in, and as you exhale, lower back and hover. Lift up, inhale. Lower back, exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Last time, lift up. Reverse tabletop. Set your feet hip width apart. Place your hands behind you with your fingers forward. Lift your hips. Look up or let your head drop back. Lower your hips down. Take your legs out wide for straddle. So feel free to turn sideways on your mat if that gives you more space. Start with your hands behind you. Sit up tall where you can stay, or fold forward down the center. Lift up, bend your knees and cross your legs with your right shin in front of your left. Place your left hand to your side, reach your right arm straight up, inhale. Exhale, side bend to the left, reach up and over. Lift back up, place your right hand behind you on your mat, your left hand to your right knee. Sit up as tall as you can and twist to your right, look behind you over your right shoulder. Turn just your head to look forward over your left shoulder. Unwind out of your twist, fold forward down the center. Lift up, switch the cross to your legs, bring left in front of right. Right hand off to your side, left arm straight up, inhale. Exhale, bend to your right, reach up and over. Lift back up, place your left hand behind you on your mat, right hand to left knee. Get tall. Twist left, look over your left shoulder. Turn just your head to look forward over your right shoulder. Come out of your twist into a forward fold. Lift up, straighten your legs out in front of you. We're reclining backwards from here, so make sure you have space behind you on your mat. Reach your arms forward, lay back. Reach your arms over your head, point your toes, stretch long. Hug your knees into your chest with your hands. Lift your head, face towards your knees, little ball. Lower your head, lower your feet down. Cross your ankles right in front of your left and let your knees drop out wide to your sides. Interlace your fingers behind the back of your head. Take a side bend to the left by scooching your upper body around to the side, getting your right elbow to point a little more backwards. Slow, deep breaths through your nose. Walk your upper body through center. Switch the cross of your legs. Bring your left in front of your right with the knees still out wide. And your side bend is to the right this time. So curl your way around, creating some length through your left side. Slow, deep breaths. Walk your upper body through center. Reach your arms out wide to your sides. Set your feet about hip width apart. So it started to rain, so I just moved over to my patio. Hug your knees into your chest and bring your knees wide of your rib cage. Rock side to side. You have the option for happy baby here. Reach for the outer edges of your feet and continue side to side. Center. Set your feet down the width of your mat. Reach your arms out wide. Windshield wiper your knees side to side. Next time both your knees drop to the right, let them stay in that direction. Turn your head left. You have the option to place your right foot on your outer left knee to give it a little weight and pull down. Release your foot from your knee and switch sides. Make sure your feet are still wide. The knees left, head right. Option left foot on outer right knee for a little weight. Release your foot from your knee, knees through center. Now reach both your legs straight up towards the sky or ceiling. Lower your left leg down, hover it just above your mat. Walk your hands up your right leg, lift your head, your upper back. Now pull your leg in, and at your own pace, switch. Bring one leg in, hover the other. You can move at your own pace here, quick or slow. Just continue to breathe. Finish with your left leg, give it an extra moment. Lower your head, hug your knees in. Oh, I hope you guys will be able to hear the thunder. Set your feet back down to your mat, your arms out wide. Eagle your legs, right knee tightly over left. Cross once or twice. Knees to your left. Turn your head right. Legs through center, switch sides. Cross left leg over right. Knees to your right, head to your left. Legs through center, uncross. Press the soles of your feet together, your knees out wide. Rest your right hand to your belly, your left hand to your heart. Close your eyes. Slow, deep breath in through your nose. Open your mouth, slowly exhale. Inhale deeply. Exhale completely. One more, big inhale. Let it go, exhale. Final Shavasana, straighten your legs out in front of you. Rest your arms at your sides with your palms up. Let your body settle into stillness. Let your breath return to its natural and effortless rhythm. Allow yourself to simply be in a quiet and still space, nourishing your body, your heart, your mind. Rest. Remain just as you are, with your body still, your eyes closed. Notice the feeling of being present in your body, in the space and environment that you're currently in. Notice how all the movement of this practice is simply on the path towards an inner stillness. Take some deeper breaths. Create small movement through your body. Point your toes forward. Inhale, reach your arms up and over your head. Exhale, hug your knees into your chest with your hands. Rock from side to side. Gently roll to one side of your body. Rest your arms underneath your head. Just taking another moment or two here on your side. Lift up to any comfortable seated position. Place your hands together at your heart. Bow your head. We close together with a deep breath in. Exhale. Thank you so much for practicing. Until next time, thank you.